Hi, all. This is Vanessa from Electrify DC, and I am going to take you on a whirlwind tour of the resources. They are under this tab, and you can go to it, and you will see a number of ways that you can help visitors with questions. First of all, they're going to want to know if they income qualify for Solar for All, because that sets them on very different paths. Once they know if they qualify, if they do not have a solar ready roof, they can join the Solar for All Community Solar Program. And this will take you to this one pager, which we also have in Spanish. If they income qualify and do have a solar ready roof, then you should send them to the Solar for All website where you are going to click on I'm a DC resident, and then you're going to be filling out this form for next steps. In the event that you do not qualify for Solar for All, and you do not have a solar ready roof, you can subscribe to Community Solar. So here are some Community Solar options on the Energy Sage page from Arcadia and from Perch Energy. You can find more options on the solar from our friends at Solar United Neighbors on the Community Solar Directory, where you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to click DC, filter results, and you're going to find a number of different projects, including those on the Energy Sage page that you saw earlier. If they do not qualify for Solar for All and do have a solar ready roof, then the fun begins because you can go and calculate how much energy their roof could produce and whether it's a good roof for solar to begin with. You can do that with Project Sunroof or with NREL PV Watts calculator. I'm going to show you on Project Sunroof. You go and you put in the address of the person. Let's say it's this. Um, um, okay, just kidding. Um, so this is their home. You can see that you can look at various different metrics. They would be looking at an estimated 21,000 in savings. Um, This is the 4 kilowatt is the size of the recommended solar installation. And there's different numbers on whether they would be buying, leasing, or loaning their solar installation. Um, Once you've done that and you've determined that you have a solar ready roof that is worthwhile putting solar on, then you would go to look for a solar vetted installer, a vetted solar installer. Our tool, Contractor Finder tool, is coming soon. In the meantime, you can look at those who are authorized by DCSU to install solar for all installations. So it's these eight companies here. So going back to the resources, we're almost there, guys. Hang in there. There's two resources for avoiding solar scams. Both are good. Just choose. There's a couple of resources regarding home electrification, which is obviously clearly tied with being able to reap maximum benefits from your solar. And then there are a number of great resources. Solar United Neighbors FAQ. The solar installation is still worth it is a resource that we prepared for you, which you can download. It has a QR code here that will send directly back to this resources page. Obviously, yes, it is completely and absolutely still worth it. And then you will find the Switch Together group buying for solar and batteries, and the Solar United Neighbors Solar Help Desk, which is a really cool tool that you can offer to anyone, really, regardless of which category they fall into, but specifically if they do not qualify, income qualify, and have a solar ready roof. That is all. I hope you have a wonderful time.